Coming up in today's video, we have to shoot a warthog. I have to handle a snake. And did Bella die?
Good morning. I'm going to pick up Thomas. He's at how do you call it? Well, the place where staff enters the estate. And I have to pick him up there. Thomas lives in Eekhoornhoek, like most workers in lodges here. They all live in Eekhoornhoek and they have to travel every morning from there to here. And Thomas has his own car, but his car broke down, so now he has to hike. And I have to pick him up at the gate.
Morning.
Found it.
Ah, put them here.
Yeah, put them here.
Yo. Where are we? Yeah.
So how was your ride from Eekhoornhoek?
Ah, my ride was good.
Yeah.
No strike, no necks.
Did you sit in the back of a bakkie?
No. It was a private car.
You were driving in a private car? In a limousine? Oh.
It's Golf Polo VW.
Oh, okay.
The small cars.
How is your car?
Ah, my car's still broken.
Still broken.
Still need a new gearbox.
You need a new gearbox.
New gearbox.
And how much does that cost?
Second hand is 2.5. New
2.5, like 2,500 rands.
Yes, 2,500 rands is the second hand. So new, I think maybe 5,000 to 6,000.
So you're going to save for like 2 years now.
Yes, after 2 years I'll buy the gearbox.
Yeah.
So it means my car will maybe start.
But your car is always broken.
Yeah, it's an old car.
It's an old car.
It's an old car. I think we need a new car.
You're ready for a new day?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, our regular visitor came back. I'll show you. See? Mr. Hyena is back. Thomas never saw the hyena, so Jeroen is carrying him this way to show him. And Thomas is a little bit afraid of it.
Big man.
It's beautiful.
It's a big man.
Too big?
Like you don't feel anything. It's relaxed.
It's just chilling.
Scary?
Scary. It's too big. It's like a lion.
No.
I am heading to the Lapa now. Sorry for my deep voice. I'm having a little cold right now. But I'm going to the Lapa now because we are getting a snake course from Tim. You know Tim because if you saw some of the other videos, you know he's the snake catcher. But he's not only a snake catcher, he's a snake expert, and he's going to teach us all about the different kinds of snakes that lives here in Hoedspruit. It's better to have some knowledge about the snakes so you're less afraid of them. So join me on this course.
Marion made the cake.
Ja.
I made the apple pie.
Ja.
This is pie. What kind of soup do we
This
have?
This is butternut soup.
Hazelnuts.
Everybody is laughing at me, I don't know why.
During the course, Tim explains, he does that full of passion, a lot of interesting stuff about these, maybe scary, but also very cool creatures.
Now, puff adders, they have hinged front fangs. So one group is the non-venomous snakes, the snakes that don't have fangs, house snakes, pythons and boas, no fangs. Then you've got the other group of hinged front fangs. So your adders and vipers, of which puff adders are one. They've got very large fangs that sit in the front of the top jaw, and they're not fixed in the jaw, so they can actually move.
You also get to see a lot of snakes, some harmless, but also some dangerous ones, like this big snouted cobra, and we were allowed to handle some of them ourselves.
Always being aware of where your legs are, and then also just moving slowly and gently. Yeah. Don't swing it at me.
And of course, I also gave it a go.
Ga je het er zelf over?
Ja, dat je niet drinkt dan veel.
Nee, ja, dat.
Oh, ja.
It's following the movement.
But more exciting, Thomas, who used to run 3 blocks away every time he saw a snake, he handled it like a pro.
Well done. Perfect.
Look at the guy.
This is not a venomous one. He even took the brown house snake in his hands.
It's cold. Talk anymore.
But you're more comfortable now already.
Oh, and clumsy me,
It's looking up.
I dropped it
No, it doesn't.
on the floor.
Looking for a place.
Seriously. Just keep watching.
Don't bother much.
Ah, there you go.
Sorry. I just got a message from Jeroen. He is walking Scott, and he's asking me if I saw Bella this morning. Bella is the duiker that visits our house like on a regular basis. In the morning, in the afternoon. Well, she lives around here. But I didn't see Bella yet, and he just wrote me that there is a dead duiker laying just a couple of 100 meters from our house, next to the road. So now I'm getting nervous. But do you think it's Bella?
Might be. It was a female.
I want to check it out.
Let's see.
Is it? Can I show it on video, or is it just too? Yeah? Are we close?
Yeah. Just around.
I'm getting a little bit nervous. Oh, you know, Bella is my duiker.
Yes, yes. It's the circle of life, man.
I like her very much. No, that's not the circle of life. If it's roadkill, if some stupid car did this, then it's not the circle of life. They look alive.
It's weird.
This is not Bella. This is Billy. No, this is not our duiker.
Sorry.
You scared me. She didn't look good, it's a male.
Yeah. But he's close to the road.
It's sad, but I'm glad. Because it's not Bella. She's alive! Bella! We just saw a Warthog here with a snare. Is it called a snare?
Yeah, it's called a snare.
Snare around his nose, mouth. It's still capable of eating a little bit, but it's worrying. So Jeroen just called the estate manager.
Because like last week, somebody was already telling me like,
Keep your eyes open.
keep your eyes open because there's a Warthog with a snare.
So someone is coming?
Yeah.
The vet is coming. I think they will dart him. Or her. Is it a her or a him?
I think it's
Female? So sad. Don't understand why people do that. They just darted the animal, and I think it will sleep within a couple of minutes. Some more shot, huh? Nice shot.
yeah, definitely.
Cable.
Moles of the giraffes in the meantime.
What kind of cable is that?
I think the one that they normally use are bricks for a car or
Yes, going underneath.
Yes, this is me.
Oh, poor animal.
Yeah.
Luckily, we saw it passing our house and we could keep the group of warthogs close by just throwing some food. That way, the vet had time to come and help this poor animal. Poaching is still a big problem in this country. With a snare like this around the mouth, it makes eating very difficult. Without help, it would starve to death.
You can give it a spray there if there is any wounds there.
So this is it.
Nothing.
yeah, you see.
That's good, huh?
So strong, eh?
The vet decided to move the animal a bit out of the sun, where it could slowly wake up.
It's happy.
Well, slowly.
Yeah, it's quick. Waking up.
No, it's just the stimulation from being moved. Just into the shade. So, but it should take a little bit longer. You can just move back.
And after 15 minutes,
Yeah, that's the one. You're good now. Already start eating? No, still not completely. Yeah. Much better.
I'm very happy.
Yeah.
We saved the piggy.
He really looks much better. She. He? She.
Saved from
A little bit drunk. Just a little bit drunk.
and with that good news, it's time to end the video. Thanks for watching.